Hello viewers, welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Red Hat machine in CLI mode, that is command line interface. Here you don't have GUI, only the black screen. So let us begin. I'm going to my Oracle VirtualBox, and in the last video we have seen how to install the GUI. So similarly I will create one new machine. I will give the name as RH-CLI. This is Linux, and just find Red Hat 64-bit, then click on next. 1 GB RAM is enough for CLI. Yes, create new hard disk, create. Virtual disk image, yes, next. Dynamically allocated, yes. And storage I'm giving around 25 or maybe 30. Create. So the empty machine is created. Go to the settings, advanced disk encryption, these are not required. Go to system, floppy is in the up, everything seems fine. Display, all okay. Make this video memory till this. Anything else? No. Go to storage. Here you can see the empty. Click on this. Now here click on this disk button. Previously I had selected RHL. Click on that. Then anything else? Audio not required. Network. I'm again doing this bridge adapter. Anything else? No, we don't require anything else. Just click on OK, and now just start. You will see the difference that the CLI will be, just a minute, yeah, the CLI will be very slow, I mean very fast. The GUI was very slow while installing. Install Red Hat, yes. I'm maximizing this. The boot process is going on. They are installing all the kernels and loading all the drivers, etc. Starting installer. For doing large screen, I am clicking on right control, then C. Yes, switch. Yes, the first page come up. I'm good with English. Okay, great. Capture. Let me make the screen smaller. Right control, then C. Okay. Yeah, capture. Where is my key? Yeah. Continue. It's taking some time. I think my processor is a bit getting more work. Okay, so select your time and date. I'm from India. Done. Anything else here? Local, nothing required here. Last time we had seen workstation. This time we want only CLI, that is for minimal install, right? Done. And here click on this hard disk, then done. Kdump we don't require for right now, just disable it. Done. Network, I want to connect my Wi-Fi as soon as my OS starts. I want my network connectivity. Done. Anything else? No, required. Begin installation. Okay, so we need to give the root password. I'm giving some small password. Okay, so click on done. Press 2 times because I have given very weak password. So we can create a user. It is not mandatory. Let us create one user. I'm making the user KP. You can give password for that. Great, click on done. Nice. So last time you might have seen here we had around 1500 packages. Now only 403 packages are required to install, so it will be faster. In the minimal installation, that is the CLI installation, they just install the basic requirements. They don't give much more packages. As we require further, we will download and install. I will show you how. Basically the only CLI part is not recommended for beginners because they cannot see everything they have to do from CLI. So we will work both in CLI and GUI at a time, so you will be comfortable in both. No issue. Let's just wait for a few minutes. So they have installed all the packages. Now they are configuring, then they might verify. It won't take much of your time. Similarly, it won't consume much of your storage. It is lightweight as compared to the GUI desktop. So congratulations, the installation process is complete. As I told in the last video, we don't require to reboot here. Just close the, see here, my mouse was, just a minute, yes, capture, my mouse was inside, my mouse was not coming to outside, so I just clicked right control, my mouse got out from that window. So now just click across the window, power off the machine. Okay, now again go to settings, this is the CLI, right? And here go to storage, not storage, actually it is system. Just change the boot order, click on hard disk, bring it up, just make the point, keep a note that hard disk should be in the top in the boot order, then click on OK, and now start. Now the CLI will be up and you can just log in and do your stuff. See here, the asking for login, put the username here. I'm switching the window so that the screen will be larger. I can log in with user created that is called KP, and it is asking for password. I'm putting the password, press enter. See here, I'm logged in. I can see the console or CLI. Also I can log in to the root user. The command is sudo su -root. It is again asking the password. Okay, I think the KP user don't has just a minute, let me try once. I think the password is wrong maybe. Okay, so you can log into the root user again by restarting. For restart we have the command called init 6. It's rebooting, press enter. Why it's taking much time? Okay, so the login page come up. Just put here the username as root, then the password, enter. So here I'm logged in with root user. That's all for this video. You can see the operating system is ready. We can do everything from CLI, and you can see the username also. The command is who am I. I'm the root user. You can see here root. Great. So this was the CLI installation of Linux machine. If you don't have the RedHat image yet, you can download the CentOS image also. CentOS works in the same way as RedHat. There are some minor difference. I will explain later videos. So that's all guys. I am just setting down this. The command is init 0. Great. My GUI is ready and CLI is also ready. Thank you so much for this video. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. We will come with some new commands or concepts. Thank you so much.